Calves always like to come in bad weather.
See, no little calfie.
Getting just a little bit of heat. It's cold outside in the ice storm.
Well, I thought